In this analysis, I'm looking at profit margin and profit in this small crosstab here. Furthermore, I got a color agent that reflects if you're above 65 in profit margin, it'll turn green like that, or if you're below, it'll turn red like this. Now, this small crosstab over here, let's turn that into one of the new KPI objects, this one here. And initially, it'll just show you a single value default KPI object. But if you go into properties, you can then, as the first thing, change your KPI image. Here we're looking at a number of built-in system images, and I would need something that could show two values. For example, something like this. So now we got the two values. Maybe the labels, label 1 and label 2, should then be profit margin and profit respectively. So the other one here, profit. Like this. Furthermore, we may want to work a little bit with colors. Right now, just change the background color maybe into a light gray background color like this. So clicking OK, now we actually got a KPI object with those two KPIs. Now, one thing we're missing here may be the color agent on this KPI object, and in that case, we should maybe have used a different KPI image. And you can see here next to it, we got some good indicators. Those two small bars are actually bars that can be colored. And over here, I got it with a header as well. So I'll try to select that. You can see the two color bars here. Of course, the purple color over there on my profit, really don't need that. So going into color properties, I can then assign a different object color here. And by selecting the same light gray color as my background color, I actually make it disappear like this. Going back to my KPI options, I have a title field here. Maybe the title for this one should simply be sales numbers like that. The font size you see here is due to the source font coming from the image file itself. But if you disable that option, you can now select your own font size and color, etc. So maybe Arial 18 with a slightly different color like this. And in this way, maybe that's the way it should look like as a KPI image, and you can see it now reflects my color agent there. Now the other one here, the one containing just the profit margin, if I turn that into a KPI image in a similar manner and change that KPI image, I would show you how you can work with KPI images with icons as well. And again, you have a number of predefined ones. Maybe this one are actually without the title, without the header. I think I'll do that. And here again, we would like to put in a proper label like profit margin here, and maybe the background color, the light gray one we had on the other one. We'd like something similar here, like this. And it may end up something like this. This color here on the graphic works okay, but maybe you want the color to apply to the value itself. You can do that for all of your KPI images by using value color as well. And now you can see that the value itself also reflects whether you're above 65% profit margin or below, like this.